like to introduce you to Fabian's 233 formula. It's a classic formula with a classic hardtop, and we've got a transom setup on this one. Fabian's gone all out on his boat. He's opted for a radar, he's gone for Flir, 2 screens, 2 12-inch Simrads, 2 transducers, our traditional SS175 high wide and the SS175 low. We've set this boat up with outriggers, so we've got 20-foot outriggers on the 233. We normally go about 18 on the other boats. The formula looks good with 20s and they work really well. In addition to the outriggers, we've also got a shotgun rigger, so we use a 12-foot shotgun rigger. So everything's rigged up with tag lines. We've got our twin 225 Mercury V6 3.4 litres, beautiful engines. They've proven to be a standout engine in the range, and especially on this particular boat, on the Formula 233, we're getting beautiful figures, beautiful economy, and wow, does it give it some mid-range power. Slimy tubes as well on Fabian's boat. So I've got a couple of rods here, as you can see. We'll show you how they're used. This is what we have our slimy tubes for. So currently, just imagine this is a live slimy, so it sits in the slimy tube, it's got its nose into the water, and you've got a flow of water coming upwards into its gills, so it stays alive. Now what happens with these is, we're driving around and we're looking for bait fish on the surface. So Paddy's driving the boat. As soon as he sees some bait fish, he'll call out bait fish ahead. So I'll get ready with my rod, and it's already rigged up, as you can see. I'll open up the bail arm, and what will happen is we'll come to some bait fish. And then as we come to a bait fish, imagine bait fish out here, Paddy will turn the boat around, and I'll simply pitch the bait out. There'll be a marlin in there, in amongst the bait fish obviously. We'll let it go out. Paddy will slow down a bit, okay, and we'll just wait. There'll be another 12 boats around me, but that's all right, it's quite normal. You can see it's going out, and at one stage it'll go out really quick. You know you're on. Flick the bail arm, and you're on a fish. It's as simple as that. All it does is allows you to deploy a bait very quickly and efficiently, and without tangles, as you can see. We've got a toilet as well. More and more of our clients are asking for our toilets. They're a trick little addition to any boat. Another standard order these days is a pie warmer. Yeah, the smell of a pie or a sausage roll or little pizzas in the morning going out for lunch is something you've got to experience. So this is our formula, our 233, with a beautiful 24-degree dead rise. As we all know, it's a beautiful hull. Still, in my opinion, the best hull on a trailer, mono hull on a trailer that you can possibly buy. Many variations, obviously, around the world, but we're the only Australian thoroughbred. And if you want one of these boats, come and see the team.